Welcome to this MorphWraps video. Today's video is on the item cost wizard. This is building what if analysis for average and standard costing in discrete manufacturing. You could do something similar with OPM as well. Let's take a look. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use the download via sheet, and we're just going to download all the resources for the current cost type for the M1 organization. Next thing is we're going to create a new column. We're going to call the old one the old rate. And we're just going to have a simple formula of a 15% increase in the rate on all these different resources. Now that our data set is ready, we simply press the upload button to import the data to the interface table. We submit the concurrent program to run the interface into the core tables. We view our concurrent requests to make sure our process is run. Then we refresh in the spreadsheet just to see that the values have been accepted. Now we're going to run through a copy resource rates from one cost type to another. This time around we're going to use the download form, and you can see here we can select an inventory organization and the cost type. And we simply change the cost type. And we can copy that value down. We can put it as a default too, so here's standard Excel version. We just pull the data down, but if there's a lot of them, you might just want to clear it out. In this example, the whole lot will work even with the blanks. We change our mode to create, and we simply upload everything. Again, the data is in the interface table. We submit the import program. We view our requests. We can see it's completed, and we press refresh. It's really that easy. The resource rates is such a simple piece of functionality with the item cost wizard. From the advanced pre-validation logic at the upload stage to the flexible worksheet layout so you can align columns to how you want to see the data, and of course that enhanced downloading option. Thanks for watching this video.